Luban tool. Dot matrix external cable. Operation demo. This is an iPhone 11 phone. Face ID has been lost. A problem was detected with the true depth. Start taking out the front camera. Take out L3 Mini the programmer. Click to enter the settings page. Switch languages. Back to main page. Install the battery connection plate. Then install the front camera cable. Click the start key detection. Show fused LR. Connect the required equipment. After connection, waiting to read data. Click our cloud backup. Click 19.5V activate chip. Wait for the activation to succeed. Appear green font. Activation successful. Replace dot matrix external cable. Click W right backup. Chip normal. Pearl binned successfully. Pass LB official. Start installation test. As shown in the video, install iPhone 11. Dot matrix external cable. Installed and started. Start testing.